Okay, guys, so today is a great day. Let me tell you why. I always look for the positive in everything. I try to, because I tend to lean negative some of the times, and I shouldn't be that way. But the positive thing is barbecue season's back. I'm excited about that. The other positive thing is movies are back. I'm excited about that. The other thing is people are starting to act like people again. I'm excited about that. Then I stepped on the scale and realized that my eating program, I've broken my plateau and I'm now down 30 pounds as of today. So I'm excited about that. You guys sit still and count what you're excited about. Find things you're excited about. I can't explain it, but it's a great day today. There's a lot going on. I got to get up nice and early to get this meat on the smoker. So it's early in the morning. I'm going to show you up close this cutting board. It's called Q Daddy. Okay, check it out. It's kind of a cool design. Not sure how it works. We're going to try it out. But let me bring you in close and show you this up close, okay? I just want to show you the bottom section first. This is a great design. I can't believe nobody's come up with it sooner. But this is this is the bottom of the cutting board, okay? So the cutting board sits on these posts, all right? And the posts have rubber feet underneath, so there's no sliding. This thing's grabbing. It won't move at all. Unless you lift it up, then you can move it. But anyway, those feet are amazing. So when you're cutting, especially with one hand, you know, it's gonna hold everything still. So this is the base, and this is considered the juice catcher. Here's the incredible thing. This base right here catches the juice from your meat up to a gallon of juice. Unheard of. This is great for Thanksgiving turkeys, for pulled porks, for briskets. I remember growing up as a kid, we would literally soak our bread in the juice, and then we'd eat it, and that was like our big treat. Oh, so good. But listen, lots of people capture the juice and use it for gravy. Almost every Thanksgiving, you carve your turkey, capture the juice, pour this in the pot right off here. You get up to a gallon of juice in this thing. I highly doubt any piece of meat's going to release a gallon of juice, but they prepared. This is an incredible design. Let me go get the top, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, look at this. Q Daddy. There it is. There's the name. Can you see it? Q Daddy. But anyway, look at this. They've got these specially cut sections. So as you carve your meat, this is some hardwood stuff. This is a well-built cutting board. As good as the one I use is on the show. Okay? It feels great. It's finished just perfect. I could show you, how to clean this. So we're gonna prepare this cutting board to be used in my house. All right. But the main concept is, as the juice runs off, it's gonna run into these little slits that are pre-cut, already made, and it's going to drop into the tray down below and capture all your juice. What does that mean? It means I got to do a pulled pork, because I think once you rest a pulled pork, that's when it's juiciest. It's going to be amazing. So I'm taking it off the smoker, bringing it here, and I'm going to let it rest here. Okay? Then by the time Tammy gets home tonight, she'll carve it all up and we'll be good to go. And hopefully there'll be some juice that was captured. I don't expect a lot to come off pulled pork, but enough to show you an example of how this works. But this is exciting. Look at this, is big enough to hold a Thanksgiving turkey easily. All right, guys, so I bought this at my local butcher shop, and it's a bourbon smoked Chilean coffee rub. Have no idea what this is going to smell like. Let's give this a whiff real quick. Ooh, it smells really good. All right, let's go ahead and apply it. All right, so now we're going to wrap this. Got to wash that hand right there. We're going to wrap this all up, and it's going to stay overnight. Tammy's grabbing it right now. I can see some of the smoke already. Wow. Yeah, it's smoking. It smells good though. Okay, it's really kicking it up now. So if you guys are wondering what smoker I'm using right now, I'm using my Camp Chef Woodwind Wi-Fi. Yep, I don't care what anybody says. They'll argue all day long. But I always put the fat side up. Look at that. We're also going to throw some beef ribs on here too. Might as well take advantage. You want to pull the shelf out too or not? Oh, you got to stab it first, sorry. There we go. Make sure you're not hitting a bone when you do your probe. We'll see you in about, 10 hours, I think. The ribs will come off probably in about 4.5 to 5 hours. But that pulled pork will be about 10 hours. We're getting to 250 degrees, approximately 10.5 hour cook. So there's tons of juice already in the foil. It's gonna come oozing out. Look at that. A little bit of grease too from the fat. But I'm telling you, it smells amazing. Can you pull the bone out? Can you show them the bone? Here we go. Ouch. Ow.
Why are you doing
burning
it?
hot.
You just can't wait.
It's burning hot. Yeah, but look at that bone. Look at that. Clean to the bone. Yeah, okay, so we're going to cut up all this meat and see if much comes off the board where it needs to go. I'm seeing a little bit of grease, but it's not running off the board.
But still, it's a great board to have.
It's a great board, yeah. It's perfectly big.
I told you it's perfect for like Thanksgiving turkey.
I know. We'll have to try a turkey next to try out this board. I don't think I'm giving it due diligence. Okay, first of all, I want to thank the company that makes Q Daddy for sending it. I really appreciate it. Second of all, I want to be totally honest with you. I'm watching the meat, and we cut this up. If you've ever cut up a pulled pork, they're pretty juicy and they're pretty greasy, and everything kind of runs off, but we're not seeing any runoff. There's literally nothing below the cutting board. So we will probably keep this board until Thanksgiving, because Tammy says the Thanksgiving turkey is just going to totally gush all over the place. I'm not seeing it. I love the design, but I'm not seeing the need to capture. The little groove around the edge of most cutting boards would capture the only juice that's there. You don't need a big tray that holds a gallon of fluid to capture all the juice. I'm not sure what would be juicy enough meat-wise. Ribs, ribeye. I'm not sure. So this is a great gift. This is a great cutting board. It's a great cutting board. It's lifted. It's got like a lift on it, so we can cut easily. So it's a great board. Okay, the quality is amazing. It's a great Father's Day gift. But if you're going to do it to capture juice, I'm not sure that there's going to be much benefit to that. So I think they had their heart in the right place, but I'm not seeing where we're going to cut anything up that it's going to run off. We'll try around Thanksgiving. We'll break this out again and see if it works, all right? To be honest, I'd buy it only for the cutting board. I wouldn't buy it for the design of catching the juice, for that fact. But you could take a look online. You could take a look at some reviews. It is an excellent quality wood. So hats off to you guys for using good quality. I believe these are even handmade. So Father's Day, you never know. All right, guys. So there's my review, my honest take on everything. I love you. I'm going to try a piece of meat here. That bourbon coffee chili. So good. All right, I got to go. I'm starving. This is good. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.